Welcome Pickup Review, how to save on travel rides. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Welcome Pickups and how you can save money. So having said that, let's jump into the video. Now before we begin, I just want to say that there is a link in the description if you want to go ahead, check it out. You'll get tons and tons of benefits from it. There's coupon codes, discount codes, and a bunch of other stuff as well. So make sure you check the link in the description below. Let's move on with the video. So here you can see I'm on the website Welcome Pickups, and here you can see right here you've got the transfers options. Here you can transfer a bunch of different options. Over here is your route for drivers, for partners, guides, sightseeing rides, company. Everything is available over here, and you can pretty much book whatever you want. So for example, if you want to have like a transfers, right, click on transfers, and let's say we go to Abu Dhabi, and here you book a transfer from airport to airport. Best way to arrive in Abu Dhabi: book a trusted local driver to pick you up and introduce you to the destination. Pre-order. So make sure you come over here, select the airport you want. I will go with this one, and we can select whatever pickup time you want, and then click on continue. Then you can just simply check the price, how many luggage you've got, what type of car you have. You've got all of your information over here, and you can even see this mini map over here, which is telling you how much distance it's going to cost. And pretty simple. This is the transfer, and then you've got payments, and boom, you're good to go. It's as simple as that. So yeah, I highly recommend you check Welcome Pickups if you are in that specific area. And it does not work in every country, but it does support quite a lot of countries. So make sure you check it out. There you go. Make sure you check the link in the description for those discounts. So having said that, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.